Yep, test out your lock, test out your unlock, and then I'm gonna have you get in and do your proximity. Make sure your car crank with it and all of that.
All right, man. Yeah, this works.
You have your trunk too.
Yeah.
And then you can hit your screen button on the side. It's upside down. I held it like that too when I first got it. Yeah, and then you do your buttons on the screen too. This thing's sick. Super sick. Red brake calipers. Oh, stepping on some hot sauce. What that is. But man, yeah. And you get your plate on it. You got the quad pipes. The rear diffuser. Y'all gotta take notes. Y'all gotta take notes of what my man got going. Trunk. Hit your trunk again one time. Yes, sir. I'm telling y'all, you may not be able to tell on camera. This thing's beautiful. I'm talking about this is time, effort, work put into this. Red carbon fiber. Look at the fog lights. I know I talk like a rapper. Y'all know I'm a rapper. Look at the freaking pinstripe. Look at the, man. I told him I could talk about this all day. I appreciate stuff like this. Ooh, one thing look at this. Look at the chrome hood strip. Daggone priceless. Daggone priceless. But yep, check your proximity handles. Make sure when you like, you know, maybe put it in your pocket or something and then make sure, yep. Cool. And then I brought the tool where if we need to flip your board around to make it, you know, do it how it's supposed to do or whatever. Or that's basically how I usually do it anyway. All right. And then like I said, get in, make sure it crank. Is yours where you just have it in your pocket? Is it push start?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, definitely make sure. Yep. Yeah, because like I said, if not, I can flip the board over and make it. Good money, good money. Man, this thing is beautiful. I'm telling y'all right now. I've been there going crazy over it. I mean, the detail he got on this thing, bro. And it sound good. And it sound good. Yes, sir. If y'all want to get a key done for your Camry, this is the 2018. Oh my God. Look at the blue fog lights, bro. I can't stop, y'all. I cannot stop. But if you want to get one of these done for your Camry, hit me up at lcdsmartkey.com and I would be happy to hook you up. Appreciate y'all. Tesla Roadster.